When I was researching Runway, you guys have a lot of people that have an arts background, and that's just different. So I'm curious what impact that has on the company's approach to building products and company culture. It's just a unique way to approach building an AI company today. So tell me about it.
Yeah, so I would say, yeah, art school is not the place where frontier AI labs tend to start. I think we've been unusual in that respect. So just for context, Runway started in art school here in at NYU, um, and since then, I would say we learned two main things from that are kind of coming from this art school program. So all three of us co-founders, we were kind of students of that program, and then Runway kind of started as an offshoot of that. Um, One thing is a big focus on kind of a strong demo culture and culture of prototyping, making sure we can very quickly make something to show and tell the story of like what we're building has been really important. And the other part is not having a healthy skepticism of like credentials and healthy skepticism of like you need to be from a specific background to contribute to AI or whatever kind of deep technical field. Like some of our best people, we've hired folks from the biggest AI labs, and we've hired folks from that had not done research in any kind of industry capacity, and might have had like some amazing open source projects or like some demonstration that they've done something great. And and they've been very competitive with the folks that came from the big labs. So I think that's probably the biggest thing has come from this kind of less traditional background, is basically being more open-minded about how to build the culture, how to build a team to make a great kind of AI company.
Also, you guys are not based in the same like 4 block radius of San Francisco that
Yeah.
everyone else seems to be based in. Does that also change up like who you can hire and how you run the company? Because there has been recently this meme that everyone has to be in San Francisco, and even though I used to live there, I don't think that's the case personally.
Yeah, I also used to live there, and I strongly don't think that's the case. So we have offices in SF and we have offices in London,
Hmm.
but yeah, our main office is in New York. I think talent can come from anywhere. We're a very distributed team. I think there is definitely value in being outsiders and thinking a bit differently than that kind of small radius of companies in San Francisco. And I think, yeah, it's good to spend some time there, but not too much time, because then it's harder to come up with new ideas or different approaches.
I hear from founders venting all the time about how tough it is to hire great people. Well, let me tell you what the biggest game changer for our hiring process at launch has been: the LinkedIn Jobs AI Assistant. It's like having an amazing recruiting manager. We've been growing our team over the past year, and we filled multiple positions in weeks, not months, with this new AI assistant, which makes it so easy to post a new position without filling out a huge form with 1,000 steps. And it filters applicants based on the customized criteria that I set for the role. So only the best matches get surfaced, and I'm not stuck scanning through a million resumes. But that's not all. It also shows your post to 25 optimal candidates every day, so you can actually invite the most qualified people to apply for your position. So hire right the first time. Post your job for free at linkedin.com/twist, then promote it and get access to LinkedIn Jobs' new AI assistant. That's linkedin.com/twist to post your first job for free. Terms and conditions do apply.